Today, we're unboxing the Hikvision ColorVu 2MP color camera, model DS-2CE10DF0T-PFS. This camera is designed for high-quality color imaging, especially in low-light conditions. So, let's open the box and see what we get.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
Right on the box, we can see the Hikvision branding and the ColorVu logo. This particular model features a 2-megapixel sensor, a 3.6mm lens, and up to 20 meters of white light illumination. The box also lists features including 3D DNR, WDR, and IP67 protection. Alright, let's open it up. Inside, everything is securely packed to protect the camera during transportation. Here's the camera itself. The first thing I notice is its compact bullet-style design, which makes it suitable for both residential and commercial CCTV installations. Looking at the front, we have the camera lens and the ColorVu illumination system. The camera is rated IP67, so it's designed for outdoor environments when properly installed. The label also shows that this is the DS-2CE10DF0T-PFS with a 3.6mm lens. Now, let's check the accessories. We have the mounting hardware and installation accessories needed to mount the camera. Everything looks neatly packed and ready for installation. So that's our quick unboxing of the Hikvision 2MP ColorVu DS-2CE10DF0T-PFS. If you want to see the installation, wiring, and real...
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.